Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make your Facebook profile private. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Look at the right side, tap onto three line. After that, click onto setting icon. Click onto privacy checkup. Continue, and shown here your all privacy. Tap onto next. So that's it. So that's how you can easily make your Facebook profile private. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.